In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with SoFi Invest in 24 business off. So, you want to start building your financial future with SoFi Invest, but you're wondering where to begin. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's get started by first logging into your SoFi Invest account. Head over to SoFi.com. Once you're there, click on the login button. When you're logged in, look at the dashboard and select Invest. Now, you need to choose between active investing, where you're the driver, or automated investing, where SoFi's robo-advisor does the work for you. This choice depends on how involved you want to be with your investments. The next step is to fund your account. You'll start by linking your bank account. This can be done easily through the platform's secure process. Once linked, you can transfer money into your SoFi Invest account. There's no minimum required if you're opting for active investing, giving you the flexibility to start small or go big, whatever suits your financial situation. With funds in your account, it's time to decide how you want to invest. SoFi Invest offers several paths to potentially grow your wealth. One popular option is purchasing stocks and ETFs. When you buy shares of companies or exchange-traded funds, you can earn profits as their values increase. Some ETFs also pay dividends, which can be a nice bonus. If you're looking for something with a more hands-off approach, consider SoFi's automated portfolios. This is where SoFi builds a diversified portfolio tailored for you, automatically rebalancing to keep your investments aligned with your goals. It's a superb choice if you're aiming for long-term growth with minimal involvement. For those new to investing, fractional shares, also known as stock bits, might be appealing. With as little as $5, you can start owning pieces of big-name companies like Amazon or Tesla without buying a full share, offering a great way to dip your toes into the market. Feeling adventurous or experienced, options trading could be the right move, allowing you to explore call and put strategies for potentially higher returns. Keep in mind this option is riskier, so it's advisable only if you have a good understanding of option strategies. There's also the world of crypto investing where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum directly through SoFi. Just be aware of the volatility in prices, which can offer both high rewards and risks. Now, if you want to earn passive income, think about turning on dividend reinvestment, or DRIP, which automatically reinvests any dividends you earn. Some savvy investors also utilize covered call strategies to boost their income, particularly through options trading. Finally, it's crucial to monitor and grow your investments. Use the SoFi dashboard to track how your portfolio is performing. You'll also have access to SoFi's educational tools and market news, empowering you to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to adjust your strategies based on your financial targets, whether it's retirement, short-term profit, or long-term wealth accumulation. By staying engaged and informed, you'll be well on your way to making money with SoFi Invest.